Hello, family, beautiful family. Good morning, everyone, where you are. Today. Yeah, family. It is me, Mr. Underscore Blessing 254. You're welcome on my YouTube channel, family. Yes, from tomorrow, I'm here with Freestyle Shaban. Yeah, my best friend, you know that. Yeah, I am sleeping here on tomorrow. And today, I'm wake up well. And me and Mr. Shaban. But if Shaban is not around, they go and they bother there to do something. But today you can tell me, bro, we wake up, what? You're telling me that, bro, today you can help to cook food there for muscle inside there. So now I'm wake up good. I'm continue to cook food here. Yeah, I'm kitchen already. Yeah, I'm going to open gas there. You can see gas here already. Yeah, now I can take this one. Let me show you when I'm going to cook. Yeah, in camera, you 1 minute. Yeah, you see already. Tungu tayari, tomato sauce already, and this one. You know this one. You know this. You know, and this. You see, family. It's so sweet. It's so sweet and salt. And guess what? And small fish. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Already, I'm frying. I'm frying already. Is it frying? Yeah. Then open gas and continue to cook. Yes, cameraman, take. And I'm here and my friend here. You can see. Just say hi. Muita, say hi. Say hi, Muita. Okay. Muita anaogopa kidogo. So, let me take this. So, sijui kama ni moto. Na kama ni moto bado. Fish. Sure. Open gas. Yes. Then put salad inside there. Yes. And yes, farming is long time. I think 1 month I can upload any video. I can put in my YouTube channel video. I can put any video because my phone is a problem. But now I'm back. Yeah, I'm continuing. Don't worry. Now I'm back. Continue supporting me. If you need my YouTube channel content, subscribe, comment, and share and like. And I appreciate it. God bless you so much. Yeah. What else? Yes. You're welcome. Actually. Then put. Kitunguu. Unaweza kumsikia hapa. Unaisha kwenye sufuria hapa. Nitaweza kuvitunguu mwana hapo kuliwa. Mama. You think you take there? Can you see me? Yes. So nice. Cameraman is yuko chonjo kabisa. Yes. Nitawale sasa kwa mkono wako wenye nguvu. Fesha. Yeah, I love this song. You see this? You see this? You see this? Can you put inside? Yes, and we take sauce and put inside. And put inside. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, family, like this, like that. Yes? Yeah. Yes, family. It is me, Mr. Nasco. Long time. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. But now I'm back. I'm back. I'm continue, family. Yeah. But let's say hi, everything. Yes. Yes, nothing open. So now I'm going to take bamia. So you're going to call it bamia. You put chili sauce. It's chili sauce. So it's chili bamia. Can you put inside? I put inside. Yeah, I put. And the family, you know me, English is a problem, but I am try to speak English. If you, yeah, you are correcting me. You're correcting me. You say, Mr. Underscore, you can say something like this, like this, like this, like this. Yeah, correcting me. I am try because they are from Tanzania. I'm from Tanzania. So English, really, I love him to speak English. That's why you can see I am learning to speak English. Yeah. Yeah. And yes. Yes. You see? You see? So sweet. That's so sweet. It's so sweet. Then can take this one. Yeah, I take. Sorry, I take. Yeah, I take and I am put inside. Okay. Yes, like this, like this, like this. This is Amterezo. This is Amterezo. This is Amterezo. Yes. Now I'm taking water and put inside. Take it in. Alafu unafunika kidogo. Sasa unafunika, unaacha vinaiva. Yeah. So why wait. I'm waiting. Now I'm waiting after kumaliza kupika mboga bamia ziive. Alafu ndo niweke dagaa ndani. Napenda sana. Karibu. Yes. Yes, family. Do this. Yo. Yeah, I'm cleaning. Now I'm cleaning threads. I'm cleaning threads. Yebo. Mimi nawe. Nature sana. Yebo. Fresh. Yes, I'm finished already to clean your plates. I'm finished to clean plates. Now can you open to see when I'm going? Yeah. Yes. You see? Yeah. You see? Now I can take this smaller fish. Take smaller fish. Yeah. Wow. Yes. Bololo, lolo. Lolo, lolo, woo! Lolo, 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 lolo. Yes. Mm-hmm. You're now I'm waiting. I think 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Naipua. Yes, nimeshaipua tayari mboga. Tayari. So, chukue nipike ugali ubusima. Yes. Yeah. Cook this. Think. Maize. Cook this stuff today. Ubukima. Trying to mix this. Each and this. Mix it. Haya ni maji ya ugali nimebandika sasa hivi. Yes, now. Then yeah. Yes, you see. Yes. Now I'm cooking ubusuma. Yeah, I'm cooking ugali. Yes. Yes, then set camera before you cook this food. Ubusuma. It's not easy. It's not easy. Da! It's not easy. Tukuko ubugari, ubusima, ubusuma. Sijua ubusuma. Mr. Shabani Kode. Ubusuma. Yeah. It's not easy. Nitawale sasa. This shit. Fresh. Yes. Fresh. Yes. Yes. You see? Yes, family. Now I'm going back there in the other side to see the muscle. To see the muscle there. When can go in there inside? You can see maybe you walk good. Then you go and see. Yeah. And their lunch already. Yeah. Now prepare lunch. So let's go. Let me quickly because time for lunch. Time is for lunch. Let me do quickly. Walking quickly. Like this. Yeah, let me do quickly. Yes, yo. Okay. Hey boy, Arabahai. Over. Okay. Yes. This is neighbor of Mr. J. Neighbor of Mr. J and see children. My neighbor here. Unakuja lunch? I'm back to school. You come home at lunch. Then I'm back in school. Yeah. Yeah, so it's a long time. It's a long time. Yeah, it's a long time. You see, Mr. Shabani, you're passing here. Shortcut. Family, you know this? Ulezi, unaitwa ulezi. Inapika nini? Uji. Watengeneza mambo na uji. Mahindi yameshakauka, you see maize already. Watu huku wanavuna. Huku watu wanavuna, mvua inanyesha kidogo. Yeah. But then, on tomorrow rain here is rain so much. It's rain so much tomorrow, the night. Yeah. Here vizuri. Yes. Oh no no. Oh. Yes. Yes. Ready? Shafika. Karibu kufika. Karibu. Vipi? Now, yes. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, already I'm inside now, family. I'm inside, and you see Mr. Chef here. You quickly here. Mr. Chef.
What is it?
Lunch already.
Kangumu.
Not kangumu. Ugari. Usima. Mr. Joffrey. Amba vipi? Just say hi.
Hey, hi.
And you, bro, how are you?
I'm good.
You're good? Yeah. What's your name, bro? Emma. Yeah. Nice one. And I see Mr. What? Mr. Supervisor. You sitting there. Inakuaje?
I'm good. I'm looking out. The work is good.
Yeah, I see. Hey, na umeenda?
Leo tumeamua.
Leo umepiga nyingi bana.
Swala ujinga leo tuyuko.
Tayari lakini.
Nashukuru. Pakua.
Ni chicken nishapakua tayari. Yaani mcheni cha watu wawili. Yule akiingilia shauri yake. Professor Ragi site. Professor waga our hard site.
Why didn't you count me, my brother?
Because Professor, I not eat in the site. The site is eating mass only. Okay? But you can eat. Watakwambia karibu, okay? Don't worry.
But you didn't count him, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go, my friend.
Hey, Mr. J. Yes, wow. It's a very, very amazing house. It's a very, very amazing house. Mr. Shaban, you plan good. This is my dream of Mr. Shaban. Is very, very going well. You see? Already you're up. The renter. You see? It's a big house. Yeah, that's one. It's the one. It's one house, then the big house. And you see you continue to do going to work, broke, you have to finish here. Is it going? You see? Yeah. So Shaban is continue to work good. Yeah. Everything here in the site is going very, very, very nice, very, very good. You see? You see borehole is not water there, but I think you're trying to go a deep. Yeah. Thank you. Into water. Yes. And you see, you plan hizi vitunguu hapa, you can see vegetable. Yeah, it's very, very amazing plan. You see, yeah, nice one. It's continue work good. Yeah. Mr. Jeffrey, now me connect.
Yeah, we are now ready. We want to put something in the stomach.
Yes.
So that we can continue living.
Yeah.
No, with empty stomach, you are a dead carcass.
Yeah.
No food, no life.
Eti? Stomach fast.
If you're empty here,
Hey.
you're fucking dead. Just dead.
Mr. Jeffrey is a crazy man.
No, crazy.
You're crazy.
Take it as reality.
This is work of today. Zimefika ngapi? Almost 200. To one. Umejaribu. Yeah.
Kuna nini hapa ndani?
Hapa kuna nyanya chungwa.
Leo umeleta nyanya chungwa hapa?
Nyanya chungwa yale nimeamua nikutengenezea hapo. Alafu na small fish.
Nyanya chungwa.
Yeah.
Alafu unajua nyanya? Bwana kwa kali.
Yenyewe inategemea, kuna venye
ni kama pilipili.
Kuna vingine nimeweka pilipili hapo ndani pia. Is it so sweet?
Delicious, right?
Okay, thank you.
Inanunuliwa wapi?
Hiyo.
And where do you get this nyanya chungu?
Bongo then market. Sierra Leone.
No, here in Kenya we don't have this.
I get it. Nyanya chungu, I get it from Tanzania. Yeah. And on tomorrow, me and Mr. Shaban are going to buy it. Market there.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
We are now eating.
Yes.
Welcome.
Enjoy. Me, I'm full already.
Why are you full?
I'm eating already.
You are full.
This food is you and your man here and Mr. Chief here.
Mr. Supervisor.
Supervisor here. Continue.
You know, without me, this work can't hear you.
Oh.
This is what we call nyanya.
Nyanya chungu.
But it is not nyanya chungu. It is nyanya tungu.
Okay, continue to eat, bro.
That name doesn't sound like chungu. Ni tungu.
Tungu. By the way, zinakuanga sweet. Na kuna pilipili hapo, bro, ni pilipili.
Mama. Ya kawaida ile.
Ile nyingine ile ninapenda. Nenda kupanda.
Nisahau shatupa ile. Acha kamera inamulika.
Yes, and you say, Mr. Shaban, you're planning very good. I think it is the chumba number 2. I think it's the chumba number 2. You see how a toilet. I think it's special. This chumba special. Have a toilet. You see a toilet. The toilet here. Come from sitting room there. You come in. Then you see this there. I think the three chumba. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm finished to have master food there. Yeah, I'm enjoying today. I'm happy. You can see. I can say thank you, God, for everything. For going for me. Yes, pray for me and the family. Continue to pray for me. And I appreciate because and then I think so. God, you can blessing and then you can plan your put house like this. So pray for me. Pray for me. Yeah, I love him. This plan for me. Shaban, you continue to do well. Continue to do well. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. Now I am going to end my video here. See my house. Right. By the way, Shaban is not around. He's not around. Shaban is not around. Let's go and bother there, do something. Yeah, but because me I'm here, I can do. So now I'm going to end the video here, family. Thank you. Continue to support me. In your new, continue to subscribe, comment, and share, and appreciate. Yeah. Now, let's say thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you. See you in the next video of tomorrow. Bye. I love you. Napenda sana.